Hello everyone, welcome to the new markets breakdown analysis for Tuesday the 21st of February 2023. We'll be breaking down the chart and show you the exact zones where price could close above for potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at the previous daily candle closing small bullish where price has had like barely any volume. Potentially what we was looking is yesterday the analysis that was posted for the Monday trading day, the no trade zone was large. I'd say roughly as far as I remember it was around like 80 pips. But what we can see is price has just been ranging on a low time frame, and the buys was based above the once the price break the previous daily high. And as we measure this, price barely did anything, and then obviously that's not even 10 pips breaking above the previous daily high, and then price just consolidated. So we're going to break down the chart, and I will be leaving the target for buys and sells exactly the same. Maybe a slight adjustment on the buy area because of the previous daily candle closing like broke the Friday daily high, so we're just going to adjust that. So we're going to break down the chart again quickly, dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, and what we can see, we've got the most recent 4-hour support at 161.300, the most recent 4-hour resistance at 161.630, dropping down to the hourly time frame, and what we can see is we have formed a decent hourly support at 161.220, the same hourly resistance as the 4-hour time frame. On the 30-minute time frame is slight adjustment on the resistance to 161.680, same level of support on the 30-minute time frame as well as the 15-minute time frame as well. So again, like we said, we are going to be keeping the no trade zone exactly the same, maybe a slight adjustment on the buy area because of the previous daily high broken. So I would say buys above the previous daily high, and that's roughly around 720. And for sells, again, so obviously we've had the sells yesterday below this 4-hour previous support, which that also aligns with the this hourly support in here. And I know we've formed a recent 4-hour support, but again yesterday, since there was no volume in the market, what's the probability of price consolidating when it taps to this area? Again, when you measure that on the like on the hourly time frame, you can see this is a consolidation zone. So you want to wait for a better confirmation to take sells, because at the minute the daily has formed support on the Friday. The daily on Monday also closed bullish, so you want to wait for a better confirmation. For sells, however, we're keeping it the same, below 160, 860 or 850. The first target for buys, I would say, would be this 4-hour resistance. At 162 flat. And that's also an hourly resistance as well. Strong hourly resistance. This is going to be our no trade zone. Our second target for buys is the hourly resistance that was formed on December the 28th. When you go on the hourly, so on the 4-hour is a rejection from the 28th of December, but then on the hourly is an hourly resistance, as we can see. So that's the one, is 162. 250, 280. Now for sells, again, the sells are just exactly staying the same. Our first target was yesterday, is this daily support that was formed on Friday at, because that's also the 4-hour support at 160,500. And our second target for sells is this 4-hour support / 1-hour support as well at 161, 160, 150.